Do you know what a token economy system is? It's when a child earns tokens as a result of positive reinforcement, good behavior, and then uses those tokens for a greater reward. So I don't know about you, but when the pandemic first started, I found myself going to Target a lot with my son because it was the only place we could go. And I would say, if you wear your mask the whole time, you get a truck. Well, now that he's a little bit older, I kind of want to break that habit, and I want to teach him about the value of earning money to then buy something yourself. But I needed a tool to help me do that. So let me tell you about this really, really cool timer that I use called the Good Timer. So it's this cute timer that lights up green as your child is staying on track and making good choices. So I love that it stays green. There's not red, it's just all positive. But what happens is if your child needs a little time in where we take time to reflect, you just turn it over and it pauses it for a second. But when you turn it right back up, it just picks up right where it was. And so what I do is I program this based on my son's day. So I will set it before we leave for school so that in the afternoon, I set it for 8 hours after he wakes up for his nap. When that time of day is really, really hard for him, he knows to kind of stay on track as we're cooking dinner together and that he'll get a token. And it comes with this cute book that has a precious backstory about the timer. So you know that I love using literacy to help teach our kids new concepts that they're learning about as well. Here's the links. If you have any questions about it, just let me know. I love the positivity of it. I love the green light as a visual cue. So check it out. I think you'll like it.